everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to delete Facebook watch history on computer and phone. So first, let's start with your mobile device or phone. You just have to launch your Facebook application and tap this picture or profile at the top right corner. Now scroll down till you see settings and privacy, or you can tap this gear icon and look for settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, what you're going to do next is to look for settings. Under settings, you have to scroll down and look for the option that says your activity. So you have to scroll down here till you find that option or feature. Now, under your activity, you have to click this activity log and then scroll down again till you see this option logged information. Now tap this arrow facing down and you will see your options such as search, location, but all you have to do is to click this search right here till you see if this videos you've searched for or videos you've watched. If in case you can't see the videos you watch right here, you just have to simply click this magnifying glass or the search icon at the top right corner. Then here you will see this videos you have watched. Tap this one and you will see here all the videos that you have watched and you can filter this one. You can also archive or trash. So as you can see, if I tap this filter icon, I have here categories and date. If I tap date, then I can choose the specific date where I can delete all the videos that I have watched. Okay, but if you want to delete the entire videos, all you have to do is to click this clear video watch history and it will clear or delete all the videos that you have watched since you have created your Facebook. For computer, what you're going to do here is you just have to simply click your profile at the top right corner. Actually, it's the same thing. And then you have to look for your settings and privacy. Okay, under settings and privacy, you have to look for settings. Next, under settings, you have to look for your activity. It's the same thing. And then under your activity, you have to look for activity log. Tap this one. Here you will see some options and all you have to do is to click this videos you have watched. It's the same thing. If you want to filter the date, you can. But as you can see, I haven't watched from, because I have already cleared the video. So if you have tons of videos right here that you want to remove, simply click this clear video watch history. You can filter the date, the year, and also the months. But it's the same thing. If you want to clear or remove or delete these videos, you just have to tap this clear videos watch history. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.